Hello, welcome to Plant Care Garden. Anthurium is one of the most popular indoor plants, loved for its glossy green leaves and vibrant, colorful flowers. However, after some time, many plants begin to develop yellow leaves, grow more slowly, produce fewer new leaves, or stop blooming as frequently as before. In today's video, I will share a simple care method that is easy to apply at home. The special thing about this method is that it only uses common kitchen ingredients. Yet it can help your plant grow healthier and stronger over time. The first ingredient is jasmine tea. Jasmine tea contains beneficial natural compounds and minerals that help plants grow healthier and maintain long-term vitality. Use about 3 tea bags, open them, and pour all the tea leaves into a clean cup. Which country are you watching this video from? I am very happy to welcome you to the Plant Care Garden channel. Please leave a comment below and let me know. It's wonderful that we can connect and share with each other from all around the world. In addition to Vietnamese, this video is also dubbed in other languages, including English, French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, Dutch, Polish, Italian, and Indonesian. You can easily change the language in the video settings for a more comfortable viewing experience. Next, pour approximately 1,000 milliliters of hot water into the cup to steep the tea. Hot water helps release and dissolve the nutrients in the tea more effectively. Then cover the cup and let it steep for about 1 hour. This step helps the nutrients in the jasmine tea dissolve more effectively into the water, creating a nutrient-rich solution for your plant. Before starting the next care steps, I will inspect the overall condition of the Anthurium plant. Upon closer inspection, I noticed that some leaves had become wilted, yellowed, or showed signs of aging. In addition, a few flowers had already faded and were no longer as attractive as before. These wilted leaves and faded flowers are no longer growing, yet they still consume some of the water and nutrients that the plant absorbs each day. If they are not removed, the plant will continue directing nutrients to unnecessary parts instead of focusing on new leaves, healthy roots, and future blooms. In addition, wilted leaves and faded flowers can trap dust and moisture, creating favorable conditions for fungal problems, especially in indoor environments. Therefore, I will remove the yellow leaves, dried leaves, and faded flowers so the plant can become more open and focus its energy on healthy growth. This is a simple but very important step that helps the plant absorb nutrients more effectively during the next care steps. After about 1 hour, once the tea has completely cooled, remove the tea bags from the cup and keep the tea solution. At this point, you have a natural nutrient-rich liquid that can help your plant grow stronger and maintain healthy green foliage. The next ingredient is vitamin B1. It is commonly used by gardeners to help plants recover from weakness, yellowing leaves, or slow growth. Vitamin B1 can also encourage root development, helping plants absorb nutrients more efficiently. Add about 3 vitamin B1 tablets to the prepared tea solution, then stir well until the tablets are completely dissolved. Next, pour the entire solution into a clean bowl or container and add about 1 liter of clean water to dilute it. Stir gently once more to ensure all the ingredients are evenly mixed. Now we have completed a simple organic solution for caring for Anthurium plants. When used regularly, this solution can help the plant grow healthier, maintain glossy green leaves, and support strong root development. Method 1. Wiping the leaves. First, use a soft cloth or cotton pad, soak it with a small amount of the prepared solution, and gently wipe the entire surface of the Anthurium leaves. Be sure to clean both the upper and lower sides of the leaves, as dust often accumulates there over time. Regular leaf cleaning not only removes dust and dirt but also helps keep the leaf surface clear, allowing the plant to absorb light more effectively and maintain healthy photosynthesis. In addition, the natural nutrients from jasmine tea, combined with vitamin B1, may help keep the leaves greener, healthier, and more vibrant over time. With regular application, the leaves may appear cleaner and develop a beautiful natural shine. For the best results, it is recommended to apply this method about once a week. It is a simple care routine that can help the plant stay lush, attractive, and grow more steadily. Besides anthuriums, this method can also be used for many other indoor foliage plants to help keep their leaves clean, healthy, and attractive. Method 2. Misting. Pour the solution into a spray bottle and gently mist the leaves, stems, and the area around the base of the plant. Spray evenly so that a light layer of mist covers the plant, helping the nutrients distribute more uniformly. Regular misting not only keeps the leaves fresh but also helps the plant benefit from the natural nutrients found in jasmine tea and vitamin B1. As a result, the leaves can maintain a healthy green color and the plant can stay more vigorous. In addition, this method helps increase humidity around the plant, making it especially suitable for indoor environments or during hot and dry weather. However, only apply a light mist and avoid allowing excess water to remain in the leaf axils or on the leaf surfaces for extended periods. This will help reduce the risk of fungal problems and keep your plant in the healthiest condition possible. Method 3. Root watering. After applying the misting method, the remaining solution can be used to water the growing medium of your Anthurium plant directly. Slowly pour the solution over the entire surface of the growing medium so it can penetrate evenly into the root zone. This allows the nutrients from the jasmine tea and vitamin B1 to reach the roots more effectively. The benefit of this method is that it helps maintain a favorable environment for root development. When the roots are healthy, the plant can absorb water and nutrients more efficiently, leading to stronger and more stable growth over time. Regular application of this solution can also help maintain plant vitality, encourage new leaf growth, and support overall plant health. With a healthy root system, Anthurium plants often produce deeper green leaves, stronger growth, and more consistent blooming. Method 4. Drying excess water from the leaves. After soaking the plant in the jasmine tea and vitamin B1 solution for about 10 minutes, I will gently remove it and place it in an area with bright and direct light. Next, I will use a clean, soft cloth to gently wipe away any excess water remaining on the leaves. This is a very important step that is often overlooked during plant care. Drying the leaves helps prevent water from remaining in leaf joints and on leaf surfaces for extended periods. As a result, the plant is less likely to develop fungal diseases, leaf rot, and other problems caused by excessive moisture. In addition, when the leaf surfaces are clean and dried, the plant can photosynthesize more efficiently, improve gas exchange, and maintain a naturally glossy appearance. Once finished, I will place the plant in an area with bright, indirect light and gentle airflow so the leaves can dry naturally. After about 2 months of regular use, your Anthurium may become greener, glossier, and healthier over time. If you try this method, come back after 60 days and share your results in the comments. I'd love to know how your plant has changed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Plant Care Garden so you won't miss our upcoming plant care tips and gardening advice. Thank you for watching. See you next time.